New tonight, the FBI in Colombia has a warning to upstate parents about a crime they call sextortion. It's when someone threatens to release your private information or content if you do not provide sexual images or money. Now, agents say this digital crime is on the rise, especially among teens.
And it's such a concern for parents, and that's just one reason why they held a presentation at Furman University today, hoping to bring awareness. And Fox Carolina's Kennedy Harris was there. Tonight, she's bringing us the details.
Sextortion is something that preys on the vulnerabilities of the human nature.
It's going to be somebody online.
Agent Erin Carlisle says there's a new type of digital crime that's quickly on the rise.
So we think the best opportunity that we can have is to get in front of our community leaders, get in front of parents, get in front of students, tell them what's going on.
In most sextortion cases, victims send nude or sexual photos to an offender who then blackmails them with the possibility of releasing them to the public. The offenders typically demand cash or sexual activity.
The main thing FBI agents want people to understand is that this type of crime can happen to anyone, children as young as 8 and even elderly adults.
However, most cases they see involve older teens.
When I go into schools and talk to kids, I tell them it's not a matter of who in this room is going to be targeted. Most of this room has already been targeted.
Solicitations often happen through social media, and most teens are targeted by their peers.
They're sending an image and they're getting themselves into a situation that they just don't see any way out.
But there is a way out. Agent Carlisle says don't comply with demands. Report the user profile and do not delete your account. There are also ways to try and get ahead of child sextortion. Talk to your kids and gain their trust. Ask hard and uncomfortable questions. Be over-involved and pay attention to who your kids are talking to online.
So it's not because a child comes from a broken home. It's not because this person doesn't have loving and caring parents who are involved. It's because they're human and they prey on that vulnerability. And so thinking it's not going to be my child, it's a falsehood, and that is the worst thing that we can think, and everyone needs to be having the conversations with the children.
Kennedy Harris, Fox Carolina News.
And there are resources to report sextortion. You can use cybertipline.org. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children also has free support and mental health resources for victims. We'll have those links on foxcarolina.com.